Hello everyone! Right now, I'm cooking the Bikol Express. The very spicy Bikol Express, of course. The main ingredients, I'm boiling it right now or saute. Saute by on its fat. So, this is the pork. I saute with onions, garlic, and lemongrass. That's lemongrass. And also black pepper, and this is the hot chili pepper, habanero, and siling labuyo in our language. And these are the coconut milk, one big box of coconut milk. The shrimp paste, I got it from this jar, half of it, almost half. And yeah, so this is one of these because it's 3 kilos or 2.5 kilos of pork meat. That's why I'm using 2 pots for cooking. So I have to wait until it's dried up, the on liquid from the pork meat. And now here is the finished product of Bikol Express. Naglalangis ang gata, or the coconut milk turns to become oil. So let's try it now. We have to try it. Holy crap, it's wow. This is perfect. The meat, it's remove, it's falling out from the bones because some meat I bought twice because the first batch I bought the fork, it's not enough, so I bought twice. So here you go, my special Bikol Express. It's not very spicy because I washed the chili pepper many times. I was coughing when I was washing the chili pepper. I put a lot of hot chili pepper and then I wash it, so like maybe 60% of hot spicy is gone, but it's still spicy. It's mild now, so everybody can eat it. So yummy guys, it's perfect.